Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of romance. Have you ever wondered what girls say when they're falling for someone? Well, you're in for a treat because today, we're decoding love. Before we jump into the juicy details, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our insightful content. Let's get started. 1. I can't stop thinking about you. Our first sign is a classic one. When a girl says she can't stop thinking about you, it's like she's opening a window into her thoughts. This statement often reveals that you've made a lasting impression, occupying a significant space in her mind and heart. 2. You make me want to be a better person. Next up, if she tells you that you make her want to be a better person, it's a clear sign that you're influencing her in a positive way. This statement reflects admiration and a desire for personal growth inspired by the connection you share. 3. I feel safe when I'm with you. Feeling safe is crucial in any relationship. When a girl expresses that she feels safe when she's with you, it goes beyond physical safety. It's about emotional security, trust, and comfort, all essential ingredients in the recipe for falling in love. 4. I love spending time with you. If she genuinely loves spending time with you and frequently expresses it, it's a clear indication that your company brings her joy. This statement unveils a deeper emotional connection, as she values the moments you share together. 5. You understand me like no one else. Understanding is the cornerstone of any strong connection. When a girl says you understand her like no one else, it's a testament to the emotional intimacy you've built. This statement signifies a unique bond that goes beyond surface-level interactions. 6. I trust you completely. Trust is the bedrock of a healthy relationship. If she tells you that she trusts you completely, it's a powerful expression of vulnerability and confidence in your connection. This statement reveals a level of emotional openness and security. 7. You're my best friend. The "you're my best friend" statement is a beautiful fusion of friendship and romance. When a girl sees you as her best friend, it indicates a deep, genuine connection that goes beyond mere attraction. It's like the perfect blend of companionship and love. 8. I can be myself around you. Authenticity is crucial in a relationship. When a girl says she can be herself around you, it signals a level of comfort and acceptance that is foundational to falling in love. It's a beautiful acknowledgement of the safe space you've created for her. 9. I miss you when you're not around. Missing someone is a clear sign of attachment. If she confesses that she misses you when you're not around, it's an emotional declaration of your significance in her life. This statement reveals a growing emotional dependency and connection. 10. I want to introduce you to my family/friends. Bringing you into her inner circle is a significant step. When a girl expresses a desire to introduce you to her family or friends, it indicates that she sees a future with you. This statement unveils a willingness to integrate you into her life on a deeper level. 11. You inspire me. Inspiration is a powerful emotion. When a girl says you inspire her, it means you're influencing her in meaningful ways. This statement suggests that your actions, values, or outlook on life resonate with her on a profound level, fostering admiration and attraction. 12. I've never felt this way before. If she admits that she's never felt this way before, it's a clear sign that the emotions she's experiencing with you are unique and extraordinary. This statement unveils the novelty and depth of the connection, marking it as something truly special. 13. I want to build a future with you. Expressing a desire to build a future together is a powerful indicator of long-term commitment. When a girl says she wants to build a future with you, it signifies a vision of lasting love and partnership. This statement reflects a deep level of emotional investment. 14. You're always on my mind. The constant presence of thoughts is a strong sign of emotional attachment. If she tells you that you're always on her mind, it's like a continuous loop of affection and connection. This statement reveals the impact you've made on her daily life. 15. I care about your happiness. Caring about your happiness demonstrates a selfless and nurturing aspect of love. When a girl expresses genuine concern for your well-being and happiness, it indicates a deep emotional connection. This statement unveils a commitment to your mutual joy and fulfillment. 16. I've started planning our future. Taking the initiative to plan a future together is a significant step in a relationship. If she reveals that she started planning your future, it's a clear sign of commitment and long-term vision. This statement shows a willingness to invest in a shared journey. 17. I love the person I am when I'm with you. Feeling a positive transformation in oneself is a beautiful byproduct of love. If a girl tells you that she loves the person she is when she's with you, it's an affirmation of the positive influence you have on her life. This statement signifies personal growth within the context of your relationship. 18. I can't imagine my life without you. Expressing an inability to imagine life without you is a powerful declaration of emotional dependency. If she says she can't imagine her life without you, it's like acknowledging the profound impact you've had on her existence. This statement reflects a deep emotional connection. 19. I love you. The three powerful words, I love you, are the ultimate declaration of love. When a girl says these words, it's a clear and direct expression of her feelings. This statement unveils the depth of her emotions, marking a significant milestone in your relationship. 20. You're the one. The declaration that you're the one is a profound affirmation of commitment. If a girl tells you that you're the one, it signifies a belief in a lasting, meaningful connection. This statement unveils a readiness for a lifelong journey together, embracing the idea that you are her chosen partner. There you have it, 20 things girls say when they're falling for you. Decoding love is a beautiful journey, and these verbal expressions provide valuable insights into the depth of emotions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you heard any of these statements? Until next time, may your relationships be filled with love and understanding. See you on Wonderful Relationship. Take care, and may love find its way to your heart. See you in the next video.